What is your relationship with yourself? I want you to ask yourself, what is your, it's a relationship with me, myself, relationship with we is your everybody else, spouse, children, parents, extended family, social circle, professional circle, mother earth, planet earth, right? And relationship with thee, me, we, and thee. So I want to ask you, what's your relationship with yourself? How much you know yourself? How much you want to know yourself? So what I mean by this is, when you lie, do you know that you have lied? Or it has become part of life that you don't even know when you are lying, right? When you do something that does not resonate with your heart, first time, second time, it kachotta hai, right? First or second time you do it. But when you are not caught and you continue to do it, it just becomes, you have killed your heart and it becomes part of you, right? It is so important that when these conflicts happen within you, because who you are and what you are doing, if there is a different, if there is something which is not resonating, do you listen to it? If you listen to it, do you kill it? If you listen to it, do you act on it, right? So it's very important to open your heart, know when your heart opens up and when your heart shrinks. These are just an example I'm saying, right? That when you bring something for your children, your heart opens up. But if you are asked to buy a gift for a stranger, your heart will shrink. So I see that people spend a lot of money on themselves, but when it comes to spending on others, they keep on thinking, you know, they don't want to spend, right? So when your heart opens up, when your heart shrinks, if you start identifying that, your relationship with yourself will improve very much. Yes, you know you're lying. Awesome, right? So, but what do you will when you know, what do you do about it? That's see your, so the spirituality is discovering deeper depths of yourself, right? Knowing, talking to yourself, having a great relationship with yourself. Do you enjoy your own company? I see people in lockdown were so restless because they just run away from themselves. They don't enjoy their own company. That is why they need to go to they go out and party. They need to spend time in the malls because they're continuously running away from themselves. So, do you enjoy your own company? Can you be alone? Can you stay one full day alone? Can you stay one full year alone? Can you stay one 1 month alone? 1 hour alone? Start with 1 minute, possibly, yes. Okay. So I hope I made my points clear. That as an entrepreneur, what kind of how are you building up yourself? Because you reflect yourself. Whatever you feel inside, you reflect that outside. If you are angry with life, with anybody, that's what is reflected outside. So, as an entrepreneur, being in a calmer state, knowing yourself, taking care of your body, exercising, because it there are 10,000 benefits of taking care of your body, right? All of us know that. So the kind of nourishment that you give to your body with the right kind of food that you eat, the right kind of thoughts that you process, with the quality of your thoughts, right kind of emotions you're vibrating on higher energy levels, all this, when you become even if you're not an entrepreneur, you know, you are an employee, when you are taking care of these 8 dimensions of your life, even before the 8 dimensions, the 4 internal dimensions is taken care, everything else outside becomes easier to manage. I used to think that people are not like people. I used to have a lot of problem with people. People are like this. People don't change. People lie. People are fake. And I had all the time nobody's understanding me. Why I am the odd one out. when I realized that I was, always charged to change the world. Like, I will change the world. Okay, they are not doing this right. Let me correct them. Oh, this person is not there. Like, I am a, teacher for everybody, a strict teacher, trying to correct everybody else. And in my spiritual journey, I realized it was not others who I had to correct. I just had to be in acceptance of myself. I just had to accept myself more than accepting others, right? Because there are no others. Okay. So it is very important that how, as an entrepreneur, if you have these foundational things right, all other things will become so easy. Your business growth happens like this, because always you are processing things which are directed towards your growth. These are not things which will hold your growth.